If you're looking for a 2-in-1 laptop that works fine as is, then this is the Lenovo Yoga 9i. We're going over what's important, so make sure to watch this video before you buy it. Starting off with a price. This is a $1,399 laptop/tablet. And for what it offers, I think it's well worth it. Of course, this being a 2-in-1 laptop means you can fold it up and turn it into a regular tablet if necessary. This isn't a gaming laptop by any means. It's more of a student's laptop or tablet. It gets the Intel Ultra 7 155H processor with 16 total cores and 22 total threads. The CPU is capable of some AI tasks, as well as light photo and video editing. It comes with an Intel Arc I GPU, which should be more than enough for some very light gaming. The 16GB of DDR5 RAM are enough for what you'll use this laptop for, and 1TB of storage is definitely more than enough. Still, if you really have to know what kind of gaming performance this laptop will have, then let's talk about one game. Red Dead Redemption 2. At medium settings and 1080p, which is a much lower resolution than this laptop natively uses, you can expect an average FPS in the mid-40s. Whether this is playable or not is totally up to you, but I personally wouldn't stick with this laptop for this type of gaming. Again, this laptop is more for students or businesses. It's incredibly portable, being only 14 inches in size and about 15mm in thickness when folded. It's lighter than most laptops, which helps with comfort if you're going to be carrying it around a lot. The laptop comes with a pen, which might be useful for some note-taking or sketching from time to time. The hinge on the laptop also acts as the speakers, and the speakers are excellent. The screen is a 2.8K OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1880, and of course, it's a touchscreen. There's a 2.5K IR camera on top of the screen, which results in crisp video on your end if needed. This resolution in a 14-inch package results in very sharp image overall. Picture quality is fantastic thanks to the OLED screen, which provides very deep blacks. The 100% P3 and sRGB coverage helps with accurate color representation as well. The laptop has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, so everything you do will be super smooth. If you want to save some battery life, however, you can turn that down to 60 Hz. This will help extend the battery life, as it's not exactly the best. This laptop doesn't have a lot of ports, only a 3.5mm jack and a USB-C port on the right, and one USB-A and two Thunderbolt 4 ports on the left. It's very simple, with nothing elaborate, just enough for a student's needs. If you think this laptop is for you, you can click on the link in the description box below, or simply just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!